Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we have the expression x squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared. And from that we are subtracting negative x squared y plus 3xy squared minus 3y squared. So the first thing we want to do in our order of operations is get rid of these parentheses. And to do that you have to multiply the coefficient in front of the parentheses by each of the terms inside. So what are the coefficients? Well, we don't actually have any numbers listed out in front here. So we can think of this as 1 times everything in here minus 1 times everything in here. So this is where distributing the negative comes in. We're basically multiplying everything by negative 1. So multiplying 1 by all of these things, well, multiplying 1 by anything isn't actually going to change its value. So we just have x squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared. Again, 1 times x squared y is x squared y, and so on. And then here, we're multiplying by negative 1, so the sign of these is all going to flip. So negative 1 times negative x squared y is plus x squared y. Negative 1 times 3xy squared is minus 3xy squared. And then negative 1 times negative 3y squared is plus 3y squared. So now we can combine like terms, so let's first get them next to each other. So we have x squared y plus x squared y. I'll just cross off terms as we've counted them off, so we're not missing anything. Then we have minus 3y squared plus 3y squared. Now these are accounted for. And then lastly, we have plus 5xy squared minus 3xy squared. Now everything's accounted for, and we can go through. And we have x squared y plus x squared y. So that's 1 plus 1 is 2 x squared y. 3y squared minus 3y squared is going to be 0y squared, so plus 0 basically. We don't even have to write that. These basically just cancel out. And then we have 5xy squared minus 3xy squared. Well, 5 minus 3 is we have 2xy squared. This is our final expression, which lines up with C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.